Where do the barn swallows hang out before it's time to cruise the pond? Apparently they hang out on the power lines. There goes my husband. Yep, they're up here on the power lines, just hanging out. I had to stop them. I'm like, what are all these birds? They're the swallows. Well, there you go. Good place to hang out on a hot day, and then go swoop the barn later for bugs. Alrighty. Here's the noisy little bugger I keep hearing. Yep. There's a frog. Hey, froggy, froggy, froggy. What are you doing? He's a tree frog. What's he doing on the house, honey?
Hanging out. Hanging out.
Yep. Can you see them sticky pads on them feet there?
That's how they hang out.
Yep. He's just
They
stuck
like
to the wall.
This is the north side of the house.
We find them in the strangest places, though, don't we? Well, chill out there, little guy. You can only see him because I have my flash on. It's dark. All right. Hang out. Don't make too much noise. I wish this would show up as pretty as it is, because it's really, really gorgeous. It's like this very orange moon. It's just coming up over there. Super pretty, though. Everything I see just looks all grainy, and I wish I had a way to capture much better night videos. I wonder how that new camera will do with that. It's gorgeous, though. Hear all the crickets and stuff. So many bugs. Bugs. More bugs. And then there's that one star. See that bright star? That's cool. That's showing up in my camera better than I can see it. Pretty cool. Look what I've got. I have new cows. These are the new cows. Look at, there's a brown cow. How now, brown cow? There's never been a brown cow. Hi, cows. How's the cows? There's two little ones. Look at the little ones, right? There's two little ones. And then that one back there is probably like a yearling. These must have been born this year. And these guys over here, I don't know what they're boys. So that's a boy and that's a boy. What are we doing with the bulls? Hey, big boy, what are you doing? Okay, here's my chickies. They're like, wait, what's over there? What's up? Chuck's over here. He's hiding. Moo. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh my God, I thought he was getting like young cows. Oh, Chuckles, stay over there. I ain't bothering you. I'm going for a walk. It's hot though, but it's 84. Good time to go for a walk. There's the new residents. Look at the little ones. They're so cute. Hey, baby cows. You're gonna be hearing that a lot lately. They're gonna live over here for a while and eat this grass, and they'll go out back. Mr. Dipple has created this situation here. He feeds them up here on the deck. When we're having dinner, we sit at the table. They sit under the table and they wait for us to give them some treats. It's not treat time yet. Not yet. Chick, not yet. We'll be back in a few minutes and we'll give you some treats. Hold tight. Hold tight. I have a very confused iris here. Was it last year you planted these out here?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. I don't know where they came from. We had them somewhere. And we decided to plant them out here at the base of these rocks here. And, well, they decided to bloom. In late August. They're confused. They're very pretty, though. I really like them. They're super pretty. But, yeah, they're confused. I don't know why they're blooming at this time, but they're pretty. I gotta go over here to my little apple tree over here and see if my apples are ready. I got like 2 or 3 apples on my tree. See if the apples are any good. Taking a little walk, and I come across quite a crop of deer here. Yep. How many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. But if I come up this way a little bit, let's see. Okay, they moved up this way. You're not going to be able to see them, I guess. There's a couple more up here, kind of behind these trees. But yeah, they're just hanging out there, having some dinner, snacking on whatever's over there. I don't know, weeds. I don't know. So cool to watch the deer. I love watching the deer. Wonder if you'll be able to see them through here. Probably not. I don't think they've come up this far, but there's a little gap there. Thought maybe they were in there, but there's a few more. I know that. There's about 6 or 7. I don't know. I don't think we're going to get them. Let's see. Oh, there's a head right there. Can you see that little head and that little twitch right there? There's one. See it? Right there? Yeah. And then the others are over here still. Oh, it's fun. This is my kind of deer hunting. Yeah, my kind of deer hunting. Yeah. Okay. Not the best video, but alright, we'll move on. Say good morning. There's my twins again. Them apples are good, aren't they? Good apples. Yeah, that's the older set of twins without the mommy. See how big they're getting now? See if I can zoom in a little more. They're pretty large right now. They're just having a nice little morning snack here on some apples. It's fine with us. We don't have to pick them up, or Dale doesn't have to make applesauce with the lawnmower. I love watching them. They're so cool. Yeah. Oh, there's a little morning love from the deer. Here, Chuck, he's awake too. Here, we can zoom in even a little more. Wonder how many apples they can eat before they get like a bellyache. Don't know. All right, munch away, kids, munch away. Looky, say hi. Say hi. You're just a cute little thing. Oh, I know. Tell him. Just tell him. Tell him how cute he is. Say I'm so cute. Yeah. I'm just a little goat. I'm just a little baby goat. Little baby goat.
Lele.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look how cute she is. The little girl. How pretty she is. Look at all these colors. Look at them colors. We're in the house. The doggy's not happy. What do you think about the doggy barking at you, huh? Or doggy's barking at us?
The doggy gives me kisses.
Oh, the doggy kisses you? You're so cute. You're so cute.
Oh, it's very motherly.
Oh, we're going to move. We're going to get off my lap. We're going to go cruise on the couch apparently. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where's the little baby goat going? You just don't know, do you? You can't take off. You can't go far. No, you can't go far. No, you can't go far. No, you can't. Oh, here's the dog. Hello. The dog is here.
Be nice.
Oh, be nice to the goat. Oh, little goat says, okay, huh? What was that?
Lele.
Goat says, I was just...
Come say hi. Come on. Come say hi.
Where do you think you're going now?
Oh, it's fun.
You're gonna chew the cord? You don't have teeth.
She's I bought him to.
You gonna check out the fish tank? The fish tank.
Just go into my end.
Okay. You gonna go back over there by the air conditioning again? Oh, no. Oh, I'm moving. I'm on the move.
Following mommy.
I'm on the go. I was on the go. Oh, boo, 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 boo,
Where you
boo.
going?
Hmm.
What? Following me?
What? What you doing? Where you going?
Ready? Okay.
Are you coming? Come on. Come on.
Apparently, in front of the air conditioning vent is the place to be. You happy there? Okay. Yep, I'm happy here. You might want to go out and see Mom in a minute. You're funny. Alright, I came out to the big flower garden. So you see, like, okay, look, this whole bed right here, nothing grew here. And then we just weeded this out. And over here now. Okay, I'm out in my flower garden, actual flower garden. I never got to plant out here because just nothing was happening right. Just nothing happened right this year. So I didn't get to plant back in there, but we just weeded that out. I did plant the marigolds, which I thought were going to help keep things out, you know. So I got marigolds pretty much all the way around everywhere. I'll show you the rest in a second. This bed, nothing grew in, except light bulbs, apparently. Would you like a part of a light bulb? There you go. Like I said, this used to be the junk pile, so there's still going to be junk coming up for years, I'm sure. But we just weeded this out, got rid of those. All right, so let me show you what did grow. This is interesting. Okay, so here are my cosmos. The cosmos grew. Isn't that pretty? And they're blooming. Okay, there's a couple of different varieties of cosmos here. This is all the same one. It's like a double. And then over here we have some of the just pretty, right? Super pretty. Okay, I've got a nice little patch of zinnias. Okay, see the zinnias? We got pinks and dark pinks and yellows. Quite a few zinnias. Here's some orange. Look, we got speckled zinnias. This one's really pretty. I like this one. Can you see that it's speckled? It's pretty, right? It's pretty. Okay, now over here, this is stuff that I'd planted inside. These bells of Ireland. I really need to come out here and cut some. They're little bells. Everything's falling over. It's getting heavy. Look at, they're really pretty. I like these. These things right here, all of these grew from last year. Those, look, hello, this one's almost as tall as me. Grew from last year. All right. Now last year there were pink ones and yellow ones that were like that. And so far I only see little pink ones, but that's okay. More bells of Ireland, and they're all kind of laying on the ground. I need to come and cut some. I'm going to come back out here in a little bit. I just let the chickens out. Okay, now over here, I planted these. Okay, these are almost like a straw flower. I think they're called Amaranth. I planted those. That one doesn't look too good, but there's a couple of those. Not very many of them. A lot of these spiky things. Okay, look, here's a white one. That's a white Amaranth, and these are purple. Right, so there's a couple different colors. There's Chuck. So a bunch of these spiky things, I think they're I can't say it. Coleosis, something. And then all of this big feathery stuff, I did not plant. These all came up from last year. So I'm trying to contain them to right over here. And at the end of this year, I'm going to make sure I pull them out, because clearly they easily have reseeded everywhere. But, so, you know, I thought I was completely flowerless, but no, I've got some things. All right, I've got some things. Oh, here's a different flower. There's like one of them. Hang on, where is it? Gotta come over on this side here. Look right here. There's that guy right there. I planted him from inside, transplanted him out here. There's another one right there, little bitty one. And then there's one right here getting ready to bloom. So not a ton of them made it. Oh, that one's over there, but it fell down already. Look, he fell down. Aw, look. Oh, he's all dirty now because he fell in the dirt. Look. Aw. I think those are calendula. I'm not positive, but anyhow. Next year, I don't know. Next year, I don't think I'm going to try to start anything inside. I think I'm just going to get out here and I'm going to get this all, you know, tilled up and everything and just plant directly in the ground. We'll see. Yeah, because most of this I think will just grow if you just plant it directly, direct seed. So we're going to try that. Anyhow, that's what I got for my flower crop this year, you guys. I mean, there's a few things. Not like I'd hoped, but I need to cut some and take them in the house, and I'll show you a pretty arrangement. I like this guy. I want him, and I want this big white cosmos right here. Look at that one's, well, it's pink in the center, too. These are so airy and wispy-like, you know? And we'll pick some zinnias. It'll be fun. Okay, I'll show you later a little arrangement that I can come up with here. All right. The mystery is solved. All right. Our mystery. Can you even see them? Where are they? Where are you? There it is. Yeah. Our mystery fruit is turning orange. They're pumpkin. I don't know how we got pumpkin out here. We haven't grown pumpkin in years. Anyhow, they're pumpkin. There you go.